Welcome to the Birthing Stool Assembly Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to assemble your birthing stool safely and efficiently. Before starting, please ensure you've read the assembly manual for complete instructions. Before you begin assembly, ensure you have the following components. First, base. 1 number, second, top. 1 number, third pillars. 4 number 4 bolts and washers. 1 set 5 Allen key. 1 number When unpacking, handle all components with care. Remove all packaging materials and place the parts on a clean surface to prevent scratches. Step 1. Put the base on the floor level. Step 2. Insert all pillars into the grooves on the base. Tighten the pillar with the help of bolts 1 inch and plain washer provided. Uses 5 number Allen key. Step 3. Put the top onto the pillar. Tighten it with the help of bolts 1.5 inch and plain washer provided. Uses 5 number Allen key. Step 4. Now the birthing stool is ready to use. Congratulations! Your birthing stool is now fully assembled. For optimal safety, always place the stool on a level surface during use. Regularly inspect all connections to ensure stability and durability. Thank you for choosing our birthing stool. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please refer to the assembly manual or contact our support team. We're here to help.